Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a great day today. In this video, we are going to be going over the clearance event, which will start on August the 20th and run through the 22nd. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help my channel grow. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, I love hearing from you guys, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Now, if you don't know what a clearance event is, if you've never heard of that, if you've never been to one, don't worry, I've got you covered. I put together a video about everything that you need to know about the Dollar General clearance events. Now, that video will go live directly after this one has premiered, so make sure that your notifications are turned on, and if you're watching this video later, check the pinned comment down below because I will link it as soon as that video goes live. There's a lot of really good information in there. Even if you've been to clearance events before, you may pick up on a few things that you didn't know before, so definitely go and check it out. Alright, so now we're going to talk about this clearance event, which will start on Friday, August the 20th, and run through Sunday, the 22nd. So the first thing that we have included in this clearance event is select as seen on TV items that are already marked down at 25% off. So starting on Friday, there'll be an additional 50% off of that already clearanced price. Next, we have summer barbecue, which those items are already at 50% off. So starting on Friday, there'll be an additional 50% off of that already clearanced price. Alright guys, so I do have some visuals for you all, and we're going to start off with the as seen on TV items. So first up, we have these fresh pet wash mitts. These are normally $10. They're already marked down at 25% off. So right now, they're $7.50, but on Friday, there'll be an additional 50% off, and that means they'll be $3.75. Next up, we have these as seen on TV mighty bamboo towels. So these are normally $10. Again, they're already marked down at 25% off. So right now, today, they're $7.50, but on Friday, they'll be $3.75. Next up, we have this ankle armor ankle brace. These are also $7.50 right now, but on Friday through Sunday, they'll be $3.75. Next up, we have the as seen on TV orange kicker balls. These are normally $15, and on Friday, they'll be $7.50. Next up, we have the Air Police air purifier. These are the ones that you plug into your outlets. These are priced at $15, but Friday through Sunday, they will be $7.50. Next up, we have the desk call cell phone holders. These are $15 right now, but this weekend during the clearance event, they will be $7.50. And here's one that I couldn't find a picture of. These are massage therapy spheres. Again, another as seen on TV product. These are priced at $13.50 right now, but during the clearance event, they will be $6.75. Next up, we have the as seen on TV dual draft stopper 2-pack. These are priced at $6 right now, but this weekend during the clearance event, they will be just $3. Alright guys, so now we're going to get into the summer barbecue items. Now, my store is already looking a little bare on some of these items, but if you can find these this weekend, you're going to get a really great deal. So, first up, we have the Ocean Spray Juices 25-ounce bottles. This does include the flavors Cran Pink, Cran Watermelon, and Cran America. Again, they're already at 50% off. Right now, they're 50 cents in the store, but starting on Friday through Sunday, they will be just 25 cents. Next up, we have the Arizona Teas 23-ounce cans. This includes the Mucho Mango flavored, the Fruit Punch, and the Watermelon. These will be an additional 50% off, and that makes them just 24 cents during the clearance event. Next up, we have the Arizona Tea 1-gallon jugs. This includes the half and half Arnold Palmer 1-gallon jug, the green tea 1 gallon, and sweet tea 1 gallon. These will be an additional 50% off, and that makes those just 75 cents during the clearance event. Now, next up, I know I'm going to butcher this name, but I'm going to try it anyways. We have the Cholula Green Pepper Hot Sauce. So these are priced at $1.43 right now, but during the clearance event, they will be just 72 cents. Next up, we have the Country Time drink mixes. This includes the lemonade flavor and the pink lemonade flavor. These will be just 66 cents during the clearance event. Alright, so now we're going to get into the freezer pops. So we have Juicy Juice freezer bars. These are $1. There'll be an additional 50% off, and that makes those just 50 cents. Next up, we have Jolly Rancher freezer pops, 10 count. They'll be just 50 cents during the clearance event. Next up, we have the Italian Icy freezer bars. Again, these will be just 50 cents during the clearance event. And here is a list of all of the freezer pops that will be just 50 cents during the clearance event. So we have the Icy Freezer Bars, Jolly Rancher, Juicy Juice, Kool-Aid, Sonic, Sunkissed, Warheads, Welch's, and Weiler's Italian Ice freezer pops. Just if you see popsicles, just go ahead and scan them and see what they're ringing up. All right, next up, we have some popsicles that will be just $1. So we have the Powerade Freezer Bar 16 count. They'll be just $1 during the clearance event. And here we have the other $1 freezer pops. So we have Patriot Pops, Powerade, and Skittles. They should all be $1 during the clearance event. Next up, we have these Slush Puppy freezer pouches. You can pick up the blue raspberry flavor, cherry flavor, or strawberry flavor. These will be an additional 50% off this weekend, and that means they'll be just 25 cents. Next up, we have the Pringles Wavy Potato Chips. This is the deep fried pickled flavor, 4.8 ounces. I don't know how good that will be, but they are 78 cents right now. And starting on Friday through Sunday, they will be just 39 cents. Next up, we have the Yerba Iced Tea Energy Drink 16-ounce cans. You can pick up the black cherry pineapple flavor, the berry flavor, the mango passion fruit flavor, or the watermelon strawberry flavor. These are 30 cents right now, but this weekend during the clearance event, they'll be just 15 cents. Now, here's an item that I am excited for because I know that there is a ton of this stuff in the clearance section. So if you're not finding these items in their regular spot, go on over to the clearance section because they may be hiding over there. So here we have the Bush's Vegetarian Baked Beans 16-ounce cans. These are 80 cents right now, but starting on Friday running through Sunday, they'll be marked down to just 40 cents. Alright guys, so what else is going to be included in this clearance event? This clearance event's a little bit different. It's more focused on seasonal items. So I've made you a little list here. This is going to be 50% off of the regular price. So first up, we have Studio Selection Sunscreen. We have green and red dot home items. We have beach towels, yellow dot apparel, shoes, and accessories. Then we have swim and summer toys. And then we also have select lawn and garden products. Now, you may be like me and be asking yourself, are we really going to have a clearance event without the clearance section being included? Yeah, unfortunately, that's what it's looking like. So, if anything changes, if I have any updates for you guys, of course, I'll make a video or I will leave a post in the community tab. Also, if I find any other products that are like following this sale that are on clearance that, you know, the average shopper might overlook, like for instance, those tables that I showed you guys last weekend, those would probably be following in this sale as well. But if I see any more really good deals that I think y'all need to know about, of course, I will leave a post in the community tab, so please make sure that your notifications are turned on. Now, we are pretty lucky in the fact that we do have one coupon matchup to look forward to, and it's a pretty good one. So if anything changes, like I said, with the clearance section, if we have more coupon matchups, I will give you guys an update with a post or a video. But for now, we have the Studio Selection Sunscreen, and that is going to be 50% off of its regular price starting on Friday. So these are normally priced at $5. On Friday, they're going to drop down to just $2.50. And on Sunday, we did receive a 2-off-1 Studio Selection sunscreen. So if you want to use that 2-off-1 digital coupon, that'll leave you paying just 50 cents. And that's a pretty good deal, from $5 all the way down to 50 cents. And there are others included. You'll just have to scan to make sure that that coupon does attach. Alright guys, so that's it for the information that I have so far on this clearance event. Remember, it starts on Friday, August the 20th, and it will run through Sunday, August the 22nd. Now, of course, if there's any surprises, like I said, I will update you guys with a short video or a post. And if you guys are out shopping and you find an item that may not be marked as red or green dot, or it's just something out of the ordinary that, you know, not many people would know about, and if you guys want to share those deals with us, feel free to leave that down in the comment section. Maybe I can just take your comment and a picture of what you found, and we can leave that in a post on the community tab and let the whole Craz-E couponing family know about it. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you don't know what a clearance event is, if you've never been to one, or if you have questions, please go and check out my new video on clearance events. I put a lot of work into this. I went back through my old clearance event videos and kind of picked out the most frequently asked questions, and I answer all of those in that video. And even if you've been to a clearance event, even if you are a pro at clearance events, go and check it out, because I may have some information that you don't know about, and you may have some information that you can share with me, and that's always really, really greatly appreciated on this channel. So go check it out. Like I said, I'm going to leave it linked down in the pinned comment below as soon as it gets uploaded and ready to go. Alright guys, so that's it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get out there and find some awesome deals this weekend. Now, I will also have a 5 off 25 scenarios video up Friday, so be on the lookout for that. And you guys know the drill. Before you go, please make sure that you are subscribed. Go ahead and hit that button. It's right down below this video, and it's the big red subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that button. Turn on your notifications so that you will be notified anytime I make a new video or make a post in the community tab. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. It really does help me out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, I hope you have a great day. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.